YouTubers, what is up? I hope you guys doing absolutely amazing. How cool is it when something can translate note for note from the pad to the kit? Let me show you what I mean. What an awesome warm-up. It works great on a pad to work on your triplet-based stickings, but it also works great on the kit to work on your overall drum set independence and your triplet flow on the kit. I'm excited. All right, let's learn it on the pad first, and then we'll take it over to the kit. It's actually a really simple exercise. It's made up of nothing but rudiments, so that's good news. And each pulse is its own rudiment. So on beat 1, you have a right-hand lead paradiddle diddle, right, left, left, left. On beat 2, you have a 6-stroke roll, right, left, right, left. On beat 3, you have a right-hand lead double paradiddle, right, left, right. And on beat 4, you have a left-hand lead double paradiddle, left, right, left. So nice and slow. 1, 2, 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into. Try it with me. So it's a great exercise for causing you to have to memorize a long form sticking pattern. It's 24 original notes. So that's great for your brain, great for just memorizing patterns, but it also shows you like, oh man, these things, these rudiments, they don't have to just be paradiddle diddle over and over again. You can start to mix them up, and I think that's really cool. Now, when it comes to goal tempo, my goal tempo on the pad is slightly different than on the kit. Goal tempo on the kit is always, well, when does it stop sounding good? You speed up, it sounds good. You speed up a little bit more, it sounds good. You speed up a little bit, and then all of a sudden it's like, yeah, this doesn't sound good anymore. So why go any faster than that? But on a pad, I am trying to physically max out a little bit. So I'd say goal tempo on this one is somewhere between 110, 120 BPM. Let's give it a shot at 110. 2, 3, go! Now let's take it to the kit. So like I said, nothing changes on the kit. It's still note for note exactly what you just did on the pad. It's just that now we orchestrate it a little bit. So let's start one beat at a time. Beat 1, we've got our paradiddle diddle. Right hand is on the hi-hat, left hand stays on the snare drum. Beat 2 is our drum set 6-stroke roll. The entire thing is on the snare drum. And then for beats 3 and 4, we just have 2 double paradiddles. So right, left, hello, right, left, left, left. And I usually keep my left hand on the snare drum, but sometimes it shows up on the old hi-hat. So let's put the whole thing together, hecka slow, 50 BPM, and yes, you have to do it with me. Now, I mentioned over on the pad that I feel like the home tempo for this thing, goal tempo is around 90 BPM on the kit. And that's just because I feel like it grooves really well at 90 BPM. You can go as fast as you want. If you want to go lightning speed, by all means, go for it. I've got a little drumless loop. I like it. This is from the drumless track section of Mike'sLessons.com. Let's give it a shot. cool for just being an exercise from a practice pad. This isn't a groove necessarily, even though it kind of grooves. It's not a drum solo chop, it's just throwing some rudiments together, a little rudiment stew. But it also gives you the freedom to start combining rudiments and not just playing one rudiment over and over and over again on the kit, but all of a sudden you start mixing things up a little bit. Now, as far as what I want you to do with this, one, be patient with yourself. This stuff takes time. I don't care what Instagram is trying to tell you. You're not gonna learn this in 5 seconds, so be patient with yourself. Number 2, fellowship with it. Sit with this thing long enough that something unique emerges. You're playing it, it becomes muscle memory, and then all of a sudden something comes up in your mind, you go, what if I did this? And that's when you leave this drum lesson and start to do something unique to you, something that you can be proud of. Maybe it's just a simple orchestration thing. Maybe I just take the ride cymbal part and move it to the cowbell. That's spicy. I dig it. I want you to keep working on this until you find something that you think is spicy, till you find something where you go, yeah, that's a little bit of me right there. So YouTubers, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, there's tons more like this over at mikeslessons.com. If you don't want to go over there, that's fine. Maybe you could just do me a favor and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. But until next time, go practice.